Okay guys, now you have sorted the covers and you know which one goes where. So this is the booster section. You just have to grab it from the top. Be sure that you have the right piece in the right booster, and all we do is stretch it and put the tabs back where they were before, just like the original. So this has really simple process. No tools, no hack rings, no velcro. And that was it guys. Now remember that we leave the little screw here. So this is our tool where the hole is. And we have a second one for the guide. That's your booster guys. So same for the other side, and I'm gonna continue with the armrest in the next chapter. If you have questions or any inquiry, please put it in the comments. Okay guys, now we have the armrest for the back. How we gonna do it? Well, first thing is we're gonna remove the cup holder. We're gonna pry with the spatula. Just be sure that you mark which one is the front. You're gonna leave it like that. So now let's get the cover off. And let's get our cover, our new cover in. You just check that it's more or less in alignment. We have a U-clip. Now we're gonna check the clearance for the new cover. In this case, we need to cut a little more here. And we put our cup holder back. There you have it guys. That's your rear armrest. It's not that difficult.